Hello, this is Cindy Credit the Heart, and I'm back with a haul. So, my craft room is a disaster. One of the things is that I am looking to kind of clean out my cardstock. So I have a lot of Stampin' Up! Cardstock, not as much because I did get rid of a lot, but I still have some. And so I just want to clear all that out. I might do a destash if somebody might be interested in a bunch of cardstock. It would probably be $30 for a whole box, of cardstock. And that stuff is really heavy, so it has to ship in a priority mail flat rate box because it's going to be heavy. But that's kind of the goal. And so I'm going to switch some of my cardstock into these cardstock holders, which don't hold a lot of cardstock, but they're from Simon Says Stamp. They just had a 50% off some of their storage stuff. So I'm going to try this out, at least for my my Tailored Expressions cardstock, to get that organized. And I think there's some, I don't know how many, there's a few of those little sleeves for cardstock. So I think they only hold like 15 sheets of cardstock, which is not that much. But anyway, I think the Tailored Expression packs only come in packs of 15. So I think this will work. And then I'll label it, and hopefully that'll get the cardstock everywhere organized. And then I got these slimline clear storage sleeves, which I thought would be great because I do have a lot of like slimline dies. So that way they'll be easier to kind of stack or put somewhere to be organized. And then I got these clear storage sleeves. And I don't know if this was a free gift or what, but I got this Miss Ink. Maybe I ordered it. I might have ordered it. The Rainbow Builder. It's very cute. It's very possible I ordered this. I don't remember that. But this is what I ordered from Simon Says Stamp. That I know for sure. So I have a bunch of storage stuff. I actually need to have some time to just do that. And then my favorite things. So my favorite things. This is something else. So I had bought a gift card with my favorite things. I think they had 20% off or 30% off gift cards. I don't know what it was. It was a really good deal. So I bought, I think, $70, and it was only cost $50. I don't know. It was a good deal. So I got some money free. And then everything in their store, I believe, was 40% off. So I went ahead and I used that up. So I also have my Grading Farm stuff, so I'll show you that too. So I got a couple of fun things. There was a free gift. I don't know how I got two, but there you go. I've got two. I got this. It was just a pop-up die. That looks fun. And then I got this really cute one. So this is, I've got some other critters that might fit in this little car because I think I have a Lawn Fawn one, and I might even have Avery L. has these little kind of guys, might fit in there. And I might have some other little ones that I could use that are less wintry looking too, that could fit in these little cars, and they're super, super cute. And I really like that with the little die. And then this one I really like too. This is kind of a summery one, so I thought this would be fun. This one's called Island Celebration. This one was called Special Delivery. This one's Island Celebration. And I got the die. And then oh, You Keep Me Afloat. So somewhere, I think it must have fallen out somewhere, I have the stamp set that goes with this one, which is You Keep Me Afloat. So that pops up. And then I got this wave stencil. And then from Grading Farm, I got this one, which is For Real Couple, and this one, which is Lift Couple, and Beach Babe Anya, and I Heart You Anya. Those were part of their farmers markets where they have like a sale on usually older Grading Farm, but sometimes newer stuff, but usually older. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Credit the Heart.